Guys, it's Avi Judge here and we are back with another video tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across this face, you're very welcome. My name is Avi Judge. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can achieve your low-cut wig and also how you can achieve this beautiful style I'm rocking. But before we dive into the video, I want to apologize to all my old subscribers that I have been requesting to see the video on how you can make your low-cut wig. I'm really sorry I haven't dropped the video for long now. Reason being that I first saw this low-cut wig on Sally's Signature on Instagram.
This is Sally's Signature, you already know. Yeah.
When I saw it, I love the wig and I really wanted to know the particular hair they use in achieving that low-cut wig. So I registered to be one of their retailers. I bought some hair from Sally's Signature to sell out. That was the video I uploaded and you guys loved it and requested to see the video, which I haven't been able to do because I wanted to sell out. Like, I needed to make the money now. And finally I'm done selling it out and I decided to share the video. So sorry guys, I guess you understand that, right? So shout out also to Sally's Signature. I saw this particular style on her page too. When I saw it, I was like, wow, this lady is at it again. I saw the style and I loved it, although I didn't buy from them. Like, I had to make my own. This is the way I think you can achieve this. You can go check her out on Instagram, Sally's Signature, and see how she made her own. It was beautiful on the model. They're like, you really need to check them out. So I decided to create my own and it came out looking all natural and beautiful. Like, you're not gonna know this is a wig until I tell you. That is how natural it came out and I love the outcome. So guys, if you want to know how to achieve the whole of this and you're interested in learning, keep on watching. So guys, this is a wig cap I'll be using for this tutorial. It's a mesh dome cap. You can use any wig cap of your choice, but this particular one I'm using is a mesh wig cap. First thing first is to put on your wig cap on top of your mannequin head, then secure it properly. Okay, the next thing to do is to grab your lace and sew it on top of your wig cap and then secure it with a T-pin so that it won't move while you're sewing it down. Now, if you're working with a wig cap that comes with a closure, you don't have to go through this process. But if you're using this particular drum cap I'm using, you have to sew down a lace in the center so that the center part will look very natural. His body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy, hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me. You want murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. So guys, after sewing down your lace, go ahead and cut out the excess lace. Okay, then remove the dome cap on top of the mannequin head, and then you cut the cap in the particular place you sew down your closure so that your lace will be visible. Yeah. Looking very nice that way. I want you to be my make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already
She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me,
So after doing that, you go ahead and wear back your wig cap on top of your mannequin head, like so. So guys, this is the kinky hair I decided to use. If you've been watching my video, you know I'm in love with this Darling Yankee kinky hair. Like, I love their product. So grab out one part of any kinky hair you decide to use, then cut out this parts. Okay, then grab out one, remove the ribbon, then separate it into two. Then go ahead and start sewing it down on your wig cap. Now what I'm doing here is that I'm securing the hair so that I can get my pattern a little bit straight, like so that my pattern will be straight, you know, and the hair won't move while I'm sewing it down. Okay, so when you're done with that process, get your needle and thread and start sewing it down. Now this is like, I'll allow you guys watch through, like it's very simple and straight, so I'll allow you guys watch through and I will be back.
Show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. She a murder me. She did murder me.
Now I don't want this video to be very long, so it's just same process. Place down your kinky hair, then sew it down, like sew it down. It's that simple. So I'm not gonna make this video very long. I'm gonna really cut a whole lot of sides so that this video won't be unnecessarily long, you know, like, yeah.
Black Wall Street from my heart. Shit, I got the edge. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. I go anywhere for you. Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I do anything for you. Hey, because not today, yeah, be the day, yeah. I go take you down after all this time. Not today, yeah. Be the day, yeah. I go ask you to be mine. I can't wait to see you smile. I promise to be by your side and not gonna leave you lonely. Forever and ever. Like you be my queen, baby, don't say you my one. Yes, of course I do. This is time time to be wife, no longer my boo. Anything what you want, then I go do. Yes, I love you, and I know you love me too. If you dance for me, I go dance for you. Call my fans for me, make them dance for you. All the angels around there, they clap for we. So glorious, finally we made it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. I got this strong feeling, I can't fight it. And when I lose my mind, now you the tight it. And when everything be dark, you the light it. Can you hear my heartbeat? That's it. We are meant to be at the few it. Girl, I love your smile and your fine teeth. Soft lips and I feel like to bite it.
So guys, this is the last part of it. Now your lookout wig, so you determine if it will be very low or if it will be like normal size. Like now I want to use this style to achieve two styles, so I want my low cut wig to be very low. Now if you don't want your low cut wig to be that low, you can add up hair and sew, add up hair and sew on top, but I don't want it that high. I want it to be as low as possible. Okay. Guys, when you're done sewing down your kinky hair, go ahead and trim the hair. Just the same way you trim your hair so that everything will be equal. Like trim it as low as possible if you want it to be very low, but if you want it on a moderate size, trim it just a little bit. You get? So after trimming down the hair, your low cut wig should be ready. So guys, I went ahead to remove the tipping, then to test it how it looks on me though. So guys, here I am trying to test it out to see how it will look on me, and also to know where I will be sewing down my ponytail kind of. So guys, this is how it looks on me. Like, as if you notice, mine own is very low. Why? Because I want it that low. Okay, I want it that low so that when I attach the ponytail, it's blending very well. Now this is the back part of the low cut wig. It came out looking beautiful. So next is to determine where you want your ponytail to start. Like, you have to determine if you want your ponytail to be down or if you want it to be on the middle of your hair. So while you're still putting on the wig, you have to determine where your ponytail is. That a ponytail? I don't even know. So guys, I went ahead to turn the hair to center parts because that's how I made the wig. Okay, I made the wig center parts. I only wore it the other way, so I will show you guys. Okay, so to determine, this is where I want my ponytail to start from. So I went ahead to use this thread to mark where I will start crocheting the hair. So guys, when I finished marking it, I went ahead with my crochet pin and then start crocheting hair at the back parts. Okay, now if you want your pony, is that a ponytail? I don't even know. If you want your back parts to be very full and long, you can achieve that, but I just wanted something that will look as natural as possible. Yeah. So when you're done crocheting the hair, you can go ahead and trim the back part so the all hair will be equal, you guys. Trim, 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 trim. So guys, it's time to test the wig to see how it looks on me. Okay, so put on your wig and then arrange it properly. The front hair is very important. The baby hair is there. Make sure you drag it out and allow it to lay on your front line hair, like so that it will look very natural and beautiful. Okay, this is how it looks on me, guys. Like, it came out looking pretty and natural, and I love the final look. Now I'm gonna show you guys how Sally's Signature's own looks. Yeah, this is how Sally's Signature's own looks. As you can see, the back is fuller, and like this is really perfect for the big hair gang, but I don't really like a very full and big hair. Like, it's beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, thanks for watching till now, and I hope you learned one or two. Let me know the style you're gonna rock. Are you gonna rock the low-cut wig, or are you gonna rock this one? Let me know the one that fits me more. Is it the low-cut wig, or is it this one? Thank you for watching till now. I hope you learned one or two. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and also support your girl by subscribing to my channel, and of course click on the notification bell to know when we'll upload new videos. I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.